Hello, welcome to everyone in this video. This is the part 3 for electromagnetic theory solution for semester 5. This is actually suggestion type series. So let's start today's question. We will be discuss 10 question in this part. If you want, you can go through the description. So there are different playlists for different part. First question which says that the magnetic field associated with the electromagnetic wave propagation like H vector equals to this. So this is the magnetic field. Find the direction of propagation of wave and the dielectric constant of medium and associated electric field. So from here you can see for positive x-axis the wave equation will be like that omega t minus kx, and for negative axis this is omega t plus kx. Since this is plus 6z, so this is must be negative z direction. So this is the direction of propagation of wave. Then the dielectric constant. Dielectric constant is nothing but epsilon by epsilon naught. Since this is non-magnetic material, so mu equals to mu naught. So if you multiply this mu and mu naught, so 1 by epsilon naught mu naught is c square, and this is, will be v square. Hence, v equal to omega by k, put this value, this one. Now you can see this is c k by omega whole square. C is the speed of light, that is 3 into 10 to the 8. K is the omega t, omega, this is omega, and this is k. K is 6, and this is omega. Putting this value, you will get 81. Next is electric field. So, electric field, can we find out this E0 equals to V by 0. So, this is the E0, right? And this is H0, this is H0. So, B0 equal to mu naught A0. So, this is the value of mu naught, and this is A0. This is 1.047. So, electric field will be like that. This is the maximum value E0, and this is the phase part. There will be sign. Obviously there is a missing of sign, right? So this is sign, this one. Okay, so I think clear. Will we go to the next question? This is sign, so this is also sign. Next question says the electric field associated with the electromagnetic field like that. This is the electric field, find the corresponding H. So this is the electric field. We can say this is the minus, so this is positive y. This is electric field. So electric field x direction, wave is z direction. So magnetic field along y direction, there is no problem. The magnitude of the magnetic field b not equal to e naught by c, so h not equal to mu naught by mu naught. So this will gives you this solution, right? H naught equals to, that is the amplitude or the maximum value of this magnetic field, equal to E naught by mu naught C. So put this value H naught here, you will be obtain this magnetic field. Next, the magnetic field associated with the electromagnetic wave be like that. This is the given magnetic field. Find the total electromagnetic power passing through a circular area of radius 1 centimeter on a plane z equals to 1. So magnetic field, you can see this is the wave propagate along the z direction. So the power will be like that, that is half mu naught. Actually this expression obtained in the later one, so you just remember this formula, half into 120 pi, and this is the h naught square. So the average power equal to this multiply into this surface pointing vector, which is pi distance square, right? So you'll be obtain this answer. Next things, the electromagnetic wave travel in a free space in the negative z direction, right? So the travel in the negative z direction with the propagation constant. This is the magnetic field, and t equal to 0, z equal to 0. The field direction minus j cap. So you can see there is a field direction, there is a magnetic field, so the electric field must be along x direction, such that this cross product satisfies this relation. So electric field direction will be I cap, and this amplitude of electric field will be C B naught, that is C mu H naught. This is 40. Okay, so other things are the same. Next, a plane electromagnetic wave electric field is like that passing through a medium characteristic sigma. Find out the total current densities. There is two current density, that is the conduction current density, that is sigma E, and the displacement current density, that is epsilon naught del E del T. Sigma E, sigma is given here, putting this value E, and del E del T, taking in this time derivative, will we get this one. So the total current is summation of this one. I just take this cos, this part as the theta, and this one. So one is taken as a cos phi, and this 1.67 taken as a sin phi. Will be obtain the value of a and phi. So this a value is 1 point, this value actually 1.9465, like that. So you will be obtain this like answer. Next question, the electric field is like that, so that it is consistent with the wave traveling free charge. So if you take this divergence of E electric field, you can see this is the constant part, only this one the vector part. So you can see this whole things actually take is zero. There is no XYZ component within that. So actually this part actually taken common. There is a XYZ part here, but this can be taken as common as this determined, and finally this will be 0, right? Since this is 0, so rho is 0, that means no charge density. Next part is the what is the direction of propagation of the wave. Direction of propagation is n capital grad phi by grad phi mod, that is phi equal to this portion. This is the phi phase part. This is the phase part. So if you take this grad phi and this modulus, their ratio gives you the propagation vector like that. Hence the magnetic field H equal to k cross E by mu naught omega H nectar equals to like that. Just putting this value of ke k vector, you can see here, that is this is equal to k dot r. From here you will be obtain this value of k vector, and the e vector you will be obtain these things, and the time average will be like that. E star and H, you can see this E star J component, that is phase component, will be cancel out, only this is the answer. Starting for Maxwell equation, derive Kirchhoff voltage and current law. So if you take this third law and taking this a loop with the surface area, taking this surface integration and this converted into the Stokes theorem, and finally you have to this one, this is the EMF, that is the Kirchhoff voltage law. Within a loop, total voltage is production of these two things. And Kirchhoff's current law can be obtained from the fourth Maxwell law. If you take a volume with a surface occupied, and the divergence of this one, and after that it will be this one, and taking this volume integration, you will be obtain, this is the divergence theorem, you will be obtain this one. So you can see total current is equals to 0, total inflow equal to outflow, right? Here the assumption is total charge within this system is constant. Next, find out the pressure exerted in the radiation of this one. The momentum of this radiation is h by lambda, lambda equal to c by nu. So that is E by c. So momentum per unit area equal to like that. So E by A is I, that is the intensity of the radiation power density. So this will be I by c. Put this value of I and C will be obtained this one. Next thing, suppose the sun radiates energy isotropically at the rate. This is the energy radiates. So the surface, find out the pointing vector at the surface of the earth. So pointing vector is this one by 4 pi r square. So this is, and you know this from equal to epsilon naught ERMS square. So ERMS equal to like that. Next things, a laser emits the pulse of electromagnetic wave of the lasting. This is the time. So what is the length of the wave train? Wave train length is velocity into time. So this is zero point 0.6 meter. And the average energy per unit volume, energy per volume, that is energy 6 joule per volume. Volume is uh, pi r square L, that is the L, and the pi r square. R is, this is the diameter divided by 2. Okay, so this is the average energy per unit volume. Next thing, so that the momentum density of this like that. Momentum density is nothing but U by C. E by C, U is E by C. So average value will be like that. So this is nothing but the pointing vector. So this is the answer, right? So today is that one. Will be next class. We will be discuss more question, right? So this is all about me. This is my contact detail. You can connect me with this Telegram channel. And this is my YouTube channel details. Go to this channel, we get different physics videos, some mathematics. Like this session if you learn something from this session. Share this video to your friends so that he or she also get benefit from this video. Subscribe this channel if you new in this channel. Those already subscribed, thanks for subscription. Press the bell icon to get notification of upcoming videos. So take care. Meet you in the next video as soon as possible. Thank you.